What you doing, Ayla? Ooh. That looks like almost crawling. Where are you going? Uh-huh. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ari, is she gonna crawl soon?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Come on, crawl. Let's show the camera something fun. Yeah. She doesn't need to crawl because she can roll so well. Oh, how are you going to get those toys? How are you going to get them? Are you going to help her? What is that? Ari. Those are yours, but go give her some of her toys. She needs some help. Ari. Go give Ayla some of her toys, honey. Hello?
Yes.
You want me to turn off the TV? Mm-hmm. Go help Ayla get some of her toys.
Oh, the ducky.
She does like the ducky.
It is all over.
That was very nice. Thanks, Ari. You say thanks, Ari. Get the duck. Get the duck. What do you think? Yeah? You wanted something up here, huh? What do you want? Okay. Okay, bye-bye.